oh my god. Guys, Facebook is out, Insta is in. Never! It was one more app. What is Snapchat? You take a snap and then you chat. This is where the monument is. This is where I will stand. Sometimes you don't even need an enemy. आप खुद ही अपना पोल खोल देते हो और फिर बोलते हो किसने मेरा पोल खोला. And why I like social media is, guys, this factor called free will. Guys, now there are 2 TB digital phones in the world of Instagram. So I will take 500 photos before I find that one photo. Friends आके पूछते थे कि मैंने Candy Crush का request भेजा and you didn't accept it. A lot of you ask me about my skincare routine. A lot of you ask me about my hair care routine. Guys, even I have used that actually. Saying a lot of you asked me about how I handle. Actually, none of you asked me. It was just I assumed you might want to know. In this case, guys, it's genuine though. When I say a lot of you have told me, I have got this comment again. Maybe 500 people who said I should start a podcast. There were not 500. Yeah, okay. Half of them said I should have a stand-up comic show. I don't know, something about a live audience not laughing at my jokes is just, I guess that goes for everyone. So guys, this is my first attempt at comedy in a stand-up in my drawing room. And obviously, since this is a trial, there is no live audience. We don't have a laughter track either. Just to like, wow, your jokes are funny. I just have my team here. I'm sure they will laugh, even if they don't really like my jokes. I completely get that. But guys, if you find the joke funny, please laugh. And even if you don't find the joke funny, laugh. Because laughing is actually good for health. You can cut out on a lot of meds if you laugh nicely. Like, okay? Now that is done, we get started with my act.
We know for a fact that you are on your phone using a lot of apps on it. But
Yeah.
we also know that the most used apps on your phone are the shopping apps.
Who told you? No, I know you know. Guys, you all think that I'm on shopping apps all the time and I'm appalled because I only want to know who told you. Oh shit, I told you. Guys, this is the beauty. Sometimes you don't even need an enemy. आप खुद ही अपना पोल खोल देते हो और फिर बोलते हो किसने मेरा पोल खोला. ठीक है? So yeah, guys, I told you that I'm a lot on shopping apps, mostly for clothes, which I don't know where I'll wear, but yeah, mostly on them. But besides shopping apps, guys, social media has taken over all our lives. Yeah, I'm no one to complain. I'm on it. I'm on the app and I'm on the social media. So guys, there are apps there. We have obviously Instagram. I don't think there is a single decision that is made through the day which is not keeping Instagram in mind. Girls, you know what I mean. For those of you who go for a beach vacation, please tell me what's in your head when you're packing your box. Is it like, oh, let me travel light? It's just a 3-day trip. I'll soak in the sun, eat some good food. No. I have to convince all of you what a great trip I had. So my entire itinerary and planning is around that. So that is the power of Instagram, guys. How it is acting like this little factor in all our decisions. We also have Facebook, YouTube for the, I'm not sure, millennial or the, yeah, there was one called Orkut also. Back in the day, you know, I think 2007 or 8. So yeah, there are all these apps.
Why do you use Instagram and why do you use Facebook for? From an user end.
Oh my God. Guys, so this very deep question. Anyone, just in case you grew up in the 90s. Of course, my team is here. I don't think they were born yet. But for those who grew up in the 90s, there was a culture, theek hai? How many of you had those gigantic albums with photo after a wedding, after a hill station trip, after summer vacation, swimming pool camp? Doesn't matter. You worked on a project and there was a very, very big album. It weighed around 15 kilos. And if the guest came to your home for chai, nashta, anything, you had to sit with that album and see all the photos. You didn't have a choice. No, I remember because I've been through quite a few albums that I didn't want to see. But guys, when we say the world is not really changed, even though it's changed, the sentiment is the same. So why? Very deep question, but why would you go on Instagram or Facebook? Not purely logical, of course. But I feel it's the same. The same thing of, oh, this is where I went on a vacation and this is my album. Just that here there's a wider audience. And why I like social media is, guys, this factor called free will. When there was the album and you happened to be at that house, you couldn't say no. I really don't want to see the photos. I'm actually quite bored. मेरे को चाय पी के जाना है. No, on Instagram, I think I will see it only if I want to see it. Correct. And there's this beautiful thing called unfollow, just in case you don't want to see someone's album. So that is how I think modernization has changed how we are displaying our pictures and our vacations to people. But the sentiment is the same. कि हम छुट्टी पे गए थे, सब लोग देखो. Okay, and also because we have phone. And now most of us are photographers. The pictures have become so much better. किसी को याद है 90s में photos कैसे होते थे? If you went to, let's say, Charminar, Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal, any place, temple, garden. Okay, this is where the monument is. This is where I will stand. And that's it. We took 1 or 2 photos. क्योंकि film होता था 24 या 36 का, and you had to develop them in a studio. So we were very careful with like, enough. You smiled near the monument, now you come back. Now you go and smile. So all of us took turns. Guys, now there are 2 TB digital phones in the world of Instagram. Aww. So I will take 500 photos before I find that 1 photo, which is good enough for posting on Insta. So guys, this is the only reason why I can think about why we come on Insta. Honestly, the question itself is redundant. Insta, you come for completely non-logical reasons. There is no why. Okay, I want to say, oh, I want to improve my general knowledge. So I opened Instagram. No. Guys, mostly I think Instagram is a beautiful escape. Escape from things which are boring. By boring, I mean not much color. तो मुझे बचपन से था एक कि everything is too black and white. And you know, I don't know why grown-ups always in grey, brown, black and these colors. And I think this app somewhere kind of gives a outlet to that, because whenever I come, it's a riot of colors. चाहे वो खाना हो, चाहे वो आपकी छुट्टी की pictures हो, may it be my own pictures. I think I come to the app just for color. Guys, so I still have Facebook. It kind of reminds, I don't know, I think that I have 2 parallel versions. So there's a very millennial version, because we were born before the, ongoing of social media, before Facebook was there. तो हमारे लिए नया discovery था उस time. There are a lot of memories with it. Ooh, you know, there is this thing where you can post pictures and then others like you digitally and then they poke you digitally and then they send you Candy Crush request to play with them digitally. One more is there. I think it's called Farmville or something. But friends would send these requests. And guys, आजकल no one cares. But back then, friends आके पूछते थे कि मैंने Candy Crush का request भेजा and you didn't accept it. And I was playing alone. I wanted a partner. So guys, we've been through those stages with Facebook. So Facebook feels like a very sweet ex. You know, it's like someone you once courted and they showed you this new world of posting pictures and getting likes and everything. And then of course now there's the new hotter ex, not ex, the current supposedly, which is Insta. So now you're hanging with this new guy because in Insta you have more filters and more, I think, features to play with. But Facebook feels like a reminder, that sweet friend that you're still friends with. So guys, many ask me, oh, but you were on Facebook, now you're on Insta. So how was the transition? There wasn't some great moment, you know. I didn't have some epiphany like, oh my God. Guys, Facebook is out, Insta is in. Never! It was one more app. And I still remember, I couldn't figure it out. Because Facebook had everything. I'm like, यहाँ photo डाल रहे, comment डाल रहे, happy birthday बोल रहे, एक दूसरे को poke कर रहे हैं, तो इसमें फर्क क्या है? ये अलग क्यों है? I just got to know that you post pictures and you can comment on it and you can post shorter videos. Anyways, that I learned as, but it was, I forget the year. I just knew there's this new app that's called Instagram. And I remember Ranjana movie का कुछ promotion हुआ था, जिसमें actor Dhanush ने बोला that, oh, you know, Sonam has introduced me to Instagram. Of course, she was, I think, the first Indian to be on the app. I don't know. Something like that. Like, ooh, she was the one who introduced Insta to everyone. Around that time is when I downloaded. My first post was very authentic, original, and no one's done it. It was a selfie like this. And I wrote, hello, Instagram. That was the creativity, that was, because I was still figuring it out. Now guys, if this was not confusing enough, आपको शायद funny लग रहा हो कि यार Instagram में confusion क्या है? God, millennials. No, that wasn't the end of it. I have a friend, Nikhil. and he came and asked me, "Hey Pooh, are you on Snapchat?" This is just about when my brain is understanding this world of Insta. Like, oh, there is, you post a photo, colorful photos, nice photos, full stop. What is Snapchat? दो बस नहीं थे जहाँ पे हम फोटो पोस्ट कर रहे और लाइक और पोक्स दिख रहे, फॉलोअर्स दिख रहे. So guys, this was the explanation. He's a much younger friend, which is why I remember the explanation so well. I said, Nikhil, what is Snapchat? This was his exact expression, guys. Watch me very closely. He was with his phone and he said, hey, Snapchat. You take a snap and then you chat about the snap. Snapchat. He also did this, guys. I'm not exaggerating. So, Snapchat is also Instagram variation. So, guys, I have an account, no doubt. I have an account, but I still have millennial issues with Snapchat because there's no wall here. I think you just post something and it goes to everyone who's your friend, something like that. So, okay guys, I have to of course mention what do I love about Facebook and Instagram and what I hate about it. I'll start with hate. Let me be honest. I don't think there was ever hatred or dislike also. Okay guys, okay, only thing I can not like about Instagram is that it's very addictive. This is me. I am posting my own pictures, guys. Okay, I'm also seeing other people's pictures. I'm also seeing how to change your life in 7 days. Okay, how to do salt water therapy. Some coach who's giving life advice saying, oh, I wake up at 3 o'clock, I have a bullet coffee, then I go work out, then I do journaling, then I give gratitude, then I do yoga, then I have my first meal, which is only protein. Okay, all these infos come from Insta Reels. I lose track of time. I think it's happening to a lot of people in the country. But that's the only thing I dislike. What do I like? Oh my God. You know, I'm not sure what I like. It's so intrinsic. It's so part of who I am. But yeah, I don't like some of my friends. I'm not taking name. But I think the whole life runs around how would this look on Instagram. Okay, and where I find it cute also, where I find it little. If we guys are making a plan, and sometimes there's one friend who couldn't come and we'll have one mean friend always who'll be like, you know what, I want to give everyone FOMO. They should kind of feel like, oh God, we missed something, they had so much fun. Right? So yeah, that's when they use Instagram. And guys, we have done this. I have to tell a story here. हम partying गए थे पूना में, कोरेगांव पार्क साइड. एंड ये सेम मेरा फ्रेंड जो है जिसने मुझे स्नैपचैट के बारे में बोला था, ये बंदे ने पार्टी प्लान किया था. That we'll go to this pub, then this pub, then this pub. It's going to be epic. We meet up, we do pre-drinking, we go here, we go here. He made the plan, and around 2 to 3 hours before we were all supposed to leave, he's not picking up his phone. Which is common, so we thought the plan is still on. So all the rest of the friends landed up. Then we get to know कि हमारा दोस्त जिसने plan बनाया अभी भी सो रहा है. He's not even in Pune. He was some 3 hours away. So we reached this place on a Tuesday evening at 7:30 or 8 o'clock. You can imagine how packed it was. We were the only people. Now we wanted revenge. हमको बदला चाहिए था कि ये बंदे ने प्लान किया, हम सब आ गए और यहाँ पे क्राउड है. अच्छा क्राउड, बुरा क्राउड रहने दो, क्राउड था ही नहीं. So guys, we took a photo, group photo, around 10 of them, doing yay! Okay? And wrote most epic night ever. It was a really boring party. But our friend called next day and said, shit, you guys had fun without me, this is not done. तो क्या हुआ, मैंने फोन नहीं उठाया तो ऐसे तुम लोग चले गए. कौन कौन आया, कितना पिया, किधर गए, how happening was it? And I think only today, guys, when he sees this video, he'll come to know that it was so lame. It was a celebration of how lame partying can be that night. But yeah, that day Instagram came to our rescue when our ego wanted its revenge back. So for these things, it's very useful. Giving friends FOMO or letting someone know they were not invited. Which is where you also have to be very careful, guys. There's someone you're very close to, you didn't invite. Please don't put the photos on Insta. Everything doesn't have to go there. Now, these things I learned a little later. So I wouldn't call them things I hate. I would call them life lessons. So guys, the thing is, when I'm clicking a picture, okay, I don't think the filters will come right with this light. So probably this is my cue to go.